Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a profile picture on Discord. Now, follow these steps to remove your profile picture or avatar on Discord. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and visit the Discord website. So in the website, click on Open Discord and log in with your account credentials. So once you do that, go ahead and locate the settings icon from the home page, which is the gear wheel at the bottom left corner of the home page next to your username. Now click on that. Click on it to open the user settings. Now in the left-hand menu, click on My Accounts, which is usually the first option and the default option. On the My Accounts page, locate your profile picture or avatar at the top of the section. Then click on Edit User Profile to open the menu. Now from here, if you scroll down, you're going to see an option that says Change Avatar or Remove Avatar. Now go ahead and click on Remove Avatar if you want to remove or reset the avatar. Now once you click on Remove Avatar, you may find an option that says Save Changes. Click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. But if you do not see Save Changes, just let it be. Then it's going to be removed. Now return to your profile or chat window and confirm that your profile picture is now blank or reset to the default avatar. There are a couple of things I would like you to know. Discord currently has the option that allows you to remove avatar. All right, so if you're unable to reset it, you may just need to contact Discord support. That's if you do not find the remove avatar button. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom, and once you're done, you will know how to remove your avatar or even change your avatar on Discord. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.